YouTube and websites are not sufficient for becoming a professional artist, because there are a lot of artists who think that that is sufficient. Okay, so YouTube and websites provide free knowledge and it is accessible from any part of the world, and you don't have to do a lot of hassle in order to learn from YouTube and websites. But the problem is there are a lot of downside from learning from YouTube. A lot of time goes in finding the right kind of videos. There are thousands of watercolor videos out on YouTube, and if you don't know which one is the right one, you just keep on looking, keep on searching, and a lot of time goes by there. There are nobody there to clarify your doubts. If you are stuck while making a painting, you cannot ask questions. If you misunderstand something, you don't have anybody to tell what is the right thing to do, and it is not structured. If you want to teach watercolors in the professional manner in the future, in that case you also need to learn watercolors in a structured and systematic manner. You cannot simply learn from YouTube and pass on incomplete, insufficient knowledge to your clients. YouTube content and website content can be misleading. I have myself experienced that. I saw one website sharing that there are 8 principles of art, and in one there were 11 principles of art, but I know that there are only 10 principles of art. Okay, it focuses on only what to do and how to do it. You watch any YouTube video and it will only share what to do and how to do it. It will never share why to do and when to do it. Lot of YouTube videos and lot of website contents are poor quality, and in case you learn poor quality, in that case your painting results also will be poor, and you will also teach poor quality stuff to your clients. Also, all the information provided in on YouTube and in websites is sufficient for becoming a hobby artist. But when it comes to becoming a professional artist, you need a very thorough, in-depth, structured knowledge, which is not possible from YouTube and websites. There is no accountability there. If you watch hundreds of videos but you do nothing, you are actually going to learn nothing, and there is nobody to push you, motivate you, and ask you to implement those learnings. If you don't make any payment for your own knowledge, with what authority you are going to ask other people to pay for that knowledge? If you are going to learn free of cost, when you will start with an online course or a workshop, you will hesitate to ask money from others. That is also a problem, and that's why I highly recommend that YouTube and website is okay for experimentation, okay for research work, but it is not okay for a complete, full-fledged, thorough learning.